What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I read the comments of everything, and I don't get butthurt about any comments, but I just want to clear the air on some things. When it comes to XRP, I'm not up a massive amount on XRP. Somebody mentioned to me that the only reason why you're hype about XRP is because you invested really low and everybody else is going to be your exit liquidity. You don't understand that there is so much more to XRP than just seeing a simple price rise to $2 or $3 or $4 or $5 or $10. There's so much more that's on the table for XRP, for Ripple, for cryptocurrency in general. And also, I didn't invest at a very, very low point. If you think that I invested at like 1 cent or 5 cents, you're ridiculous. I didn't, right? I invested early when it came to day trading. I would day trade within the position, and I always said that I thought of XRP as a day trading play. And the reason why I thought that was because when I got into crypto, it was all about XRP, and them being in a lawsuit. And every time I mentioned that I was buying XRP, it was a problem for everybody else because they were like, XRP is breaking the laws. XRP is going against what the government has to say and what laws they put out there. It was just always about how XRP is doing wrong and never about what XRP could be doing right. And that's why I thought of it as like, hey, I'm not in it for the long term, right? Because I don't know what this is going to be. I was in it for the short term, and I made money off of XRP. As time went on, I made money off of the movement in XRP, up and down, the peaks, the valleys. It looked great to me. But then I stumbled upon a lot of the information and kind of started to tune everybody out. I started to take all the information that was out there, and when people were like, XRP will not make a move because of the SEC, because of Ripple breaking laws, securities laws. And that was the big conversation was every crypto is going to be labeled as a security and you're not going to be able to trade cryptocurrency anymore because it's all a security, and XRP was the first one to go. Right. So I started to kind of tune that out. I was like, I'm not listening to that. And I started to read up on XRP and understand what XRP does by itself, as well as understand Ripple and their payment option, right? And as I read into that, as I started listening about that from people that are knowledgeable about XRP, whether it's lawyers or experts or people that predict prices, right? Forecasters, whoever, right? I'm looking for that opportunity to learn from those people rather than just hear you're a clown for talking about XRP. Okay, let me listen to what educated people have to say, and then we'll get back to you on that. And as I did that, I saw the opportunity, I saw the growth. And this is why I decided to invest my first bit at 30 cents. It was like 36 and then 39 cents. And I had like 1,000 or 2,000. And I was like, that's it. I don't need any more, right? I don't need to buy any more because I feel as though this has so much potential to grow and I could focus on other plays. Well, as I focused on other plays, those other plays started to run and XRP stayed the same. And the reason why XRP stayed the same was because of one thing that they were right about, the SEC keeping XRP down. And that ended up being a blessing in disguise because without XRP being held down, I wouldn't have had all of the time to research everything about it. And then also I wouldn't have had the time to make money elsewhere to now throw that money back into XRP. So I was given the opportunity to do so because of that time that I've had. But for the people that think I invested all of my 80,000 coins, because I mentioned I have 80,000 coins, that I bought that at a level of 5 cents or 10 cents, you're wrong. I didn't buy that at that low of a level. If you don't know, I am currently losing money on XRP. That's how much I believe in it above this point. So when people ask me, do I see this as a buying opportunity? One, I'm not going to tell you this is the lowest price ever. It's not, right? It's not the lowest price ever. We've seen the lowest prices ever. And we don't know if it's going to find a way to pull back down. We can look at the trends. The trends tend to tell us that it's slowly increasing on a slow incline, and the levels of support are slowly inclining as well. But it doesn't mean that every single time it's the best buying opportunity. you may end up going into the negative, right? That's just how investing is. But when people ask me, is it a good time to buy? Yes. I think any time where we're seeing it below the 70 cent mark, that's where I'm deciding to buy. So I have 80,000. I don't plan on buying anymore. I'm happy with the 80,000 I have. I believe it's more of a guaranteed millionaire status as I have that much. And I don't plan on purchasing anymore. I don't need to. So when I go into my portfolio and I look at everything, people are surprised that, I have 80,000 coins and I talk about XRP so much and I'm not at a positive outcome, right? I'm not in profit. I'm down $1,627 on this play. Now, granted, it does move quite a bit with each thousand. It does, or with each cent, it does move quite a bit. But that's not the point. The point is that I'm currently at 50 cents at a loss. So to say that anybody else will be exit liquidity is ridiculous. I'm going as I see certain exit plans that get hit, but they should also be going to see those same certain exit plans get hit. If they buy at this level, they are making profit before I am. If they buy at 51 cents, they are making profit before I am. So when I put out my 51 cent video and how 51 cents could turn into this much and be worth a heck of a lot, for anybody to say that people investing at 51 cents would be exit liquidity for me, you got to realize that as soon as you get to 52 cents, I'm still at a negative. They are now at a positive. Whatever they decided to buy, they are now at a positive. So people don't know what they're talking about. They just want to say something angry because someone hurt them, or they hurt themselves in the crypto market and they don't believe in cryptocurrency. Or they have a certain play that they believe in way more than XRP that has maybe the same sort of concept as it. And XRP kind of takes away market share from the project that they believe in. That could be the case. I don't know. I honestly don't. I don't want to create hate in this world. I really don't. I don't hate anybody. I don't really argue with anybody. There's only one person in my life that I've actually continuously argued with and have a problem with, but there's nobody else in my life that I have a problem with. I've never really had that issue. So anyways, let me know what you think about XRP. Right? Did you think that I was profitable, or were you here to just see my portfolio because it's right in front of your eyes that I have $40,000 invested and I'm sitting at, $1,627.90 worth of a loss, down 3.88%, that's there. So you take that how you see it. I don't know what to say from here. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out my link for Margex, I have a link for Margex. That link will be at the top of the description. It does help out the channel. The fact that I'm not profitable here doesn't mean I'm not profitable on Margex, which I've been able to capture a lot on that platform. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.